Hey y'all, it's Mary, and it's time for day 21 of the Advent calendars. And I have the 25 Days of Beauty from Macy's. This was from Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Trial Size Life. And day 21 is, oh, it's a big one. It's right here, and it's quite long. So this is one of those that, if you see, there's these pinch things. I'm not necessarily really good at it, but if I were to do it properly, oh, yeah, I almost did it properly, but I didn't. But there, then I can get that. Oh, wow. This is First Aid Beauty. We all know and love First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, Skin Protectant, Colloidal Oatmeal. Hey, that's great for eczema. First Aid Beauty is great. You know, it's just a great sensitive skin care line. And anybody can use it. But I know that for me, oatmeal is good for eczema. I've been told that many times by doctors. It says it's safe for sensitive skin. So that is very nice. And that's a nice size tube of that. And where I get eczema is on my hands. So it's perfect for me to carry that in my purse. All right, and then day 21 on the Cat Advent, which is Merry and Bright collection from PetSmart is where I found this. It's way up here in the attic. Let's see. They are loving everything so far. There's a couple that they don't really care for, but that's just to be expected, with there are 25 in here, or is there 24? I think it's 25. Yeah, there's 25. This is one of my favorites. Forget about them. This is it's a pom-pom, but it's very, very tight. So I can feel it squish, and then it has this fabulous fringe on it. So this is just a fun one to squeeze and to play with myself. But they'll enjoy it because this is the kind of thing that Blue likes to carry around. So I really like that. So that is our Advent calendars for today, y'all. Boy, that was fast. Is there anything else I need to tell you? Not today, I don't think so. So I think we're good. So y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye.